Guys, welcome to everybody. We are heartily invited to our channel. Let's start now, kids. We are going to learn about the alphabet.
Please like and subscribe to our channel.
A. A for apple. A for ambulance. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for grapes. H. H for horse. I for ice cream. J. J for chili pepper. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for quail. R for rainbow. S for strawberry. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for whale. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra.